Hello, hello! Time for writing! Okay, so today you are going to be exploring life cycles. Now, life cycles is a new topic. We were in weather and now we're transitioning into life cycles. Yesterday, you guys wrote your final piece on weather. So that told me you were ready for something new. So that's why we're starting with this today. So we are going to be talking about what a life cycle is and what even has life cycles. So our target today is I can investigate life cycles. I will show this by using what I already know about plants, insects, and animals to guide my investigation. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and the next video is going to break down our target. Before I do that, I want you to think, what is a life cycle? I want you to answer this question right here. What do you think a life cycle is? Just a prediction. I don't expect anyone to have a perfect answer, and that's fine. Just tell me what you think it is.